Welcome back to Auto Hub Info, the ultimate destination for car lovers and automotive thrill seekers. Today, we're diving deep into a machine that redefines luxury, power, and engineering precision, the 2026 BMW M8. This isn't just a car, it's an icon of performance, a fusion of elegance and aggression that has been sharpened for the future. If you thought BMW had reached its peak with the M lineup, the 2026 M8 proves there's always another level to reach. Let's start with what exactly the BMW M8 is. The M8 is the high-performance version of BMW's flagship 8 Series. It's not just about looking good on the road, it's about dominating it. Born out of BMW's legendary M division, the M8 stands as a testament to the brand's racing heritage combined with grand touring comfort. Originally introduced as the M8 Coupe and convertible, the M8 quickly carved its niche as one of the most powerful and luxurious sports cars ever built by BMW. The 2026 model takes everything that made the previous generations great and dials it up to 11. The invention of the M8 roots back to BMW's desire to create a high-end grand tourer that could rival the best of the best in both performance and prestige. The first M8 prototype was a top-secret project in the 1990s based on the original 8 Series, but it never made it to production. However, the concept lived on, and in 2019, BMW finally unveiled the production M8, a beast that changed the game. Now, in 2026, it returns with more power, advanced technology, and even sharper looks, making it not just a successor but a reinvention. When it comes to global appeal, the BMW M8 finds its strongest markets in the United States, Germany, the United Kingdom, and the Middle East. These regions have a deep appreciation for high-performance luxury vehicles, and the M8 fits right in. In the US, in particular, the M8 is a popular choice among affluent enthusiasts who demand both daily usability and track-ready performance. In Germany, it's a statement of engineering excellence, while in the Middle East, it's celebrated for its bold presence and unmatched speed. Popularity-wise, the M8 has developed a cult following. From car collectors to influencers and auto journalists, the car has gained a reputation as one of the most desirable coupes and convertibles on the market. The 2026 update only enhances its appeal, thanks to evolutionary styling tweaks, a refreshed interior, and more refined driving dynamics. People admire it not just for what it is, but for what it represents, the absolute peak of BMW's performance engineering wrapped in a luxurious shell. Under the hood, the 2026 BMW M8 continues to wield a monstrous 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, pushing out an astonishing 650 horsepower and around 625 pound-feet of torque. BMW's M engineers have further refined the power delivery for smoother torque response, faster throttle reaction, and improved overall handling. All that power is routed through an 8-speed M-Steptronic transmission, paired with BM's xDrive all-wheel drive system that includes a rear-wheel drive mode for true enthusiasts. This combination enables the M8 to rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.0 seconds, giving it supercar-level performance in a grand touring body. Despite its raw power, the 2026 M8 doesn't sacrifice efficiency entirely. Thanks to intelligent engine tuning, lighter construction, and improved aerodynamics, fuel efficiency sees a minor but welcome bump. BMW has also integrated mild hybrid technology, giving the M8 smoother start-stop transitions and regenerative braking. The M8 now returns an estimated 18 miles per gallon in the city and 25 on the highway. Not groundbreaking, but impressive for a car with such tremendous output. In terms of capabilities, the M8 isn't just a straight-line monster. It features adaptive M suspension, M-specific chassis tuning, active roll stabilization, and rear-wheel steering, ensuring that it's just as thrilling through corners as it is in a drag race. Carbon ceramic brakes offer incredible stopping power, while the electronically controlled limited-slip rear differential provides surgical precision in handling. Whether you're on a racetrack or a mountain pass, the M8 feels composed, agile, and ready to push boundaries. As for key features, the 2026 BMW M8 is a rolling showcase of technology and craftsmanship. The exterior design is sleeker and more aggressive, with reworked LED laser headlights, an updated kidney grille, aerodynamic enhancements, and a set of lightweight 20-inch forged alloy wheels. The M exclusive paint finishes and carbon fiber roof further enhance the sporty aesthetics. Inside, the cabin is wrapped in premium materials, think full merino leather, Alcantara accents, and real metal trim. The redesigned dashboard integrates BMW's curved display system, featuring a 14.9-inch infotainment touchscreen and a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster running the latest iDrive 9 software. The sound system is another standout, with a 16-speaker Bowers & Wilkins Diamond surround sound system that transforms the cabin into a concert hall. Ambient lighting, 4-zone climate control, heated and ventilated M Sport seats, and a head-up display are all standard. Safety-wise, the M8 comes loaded with driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and BMW's Parking Assistant Plus. Now, let's talk about price. The 2026 BMW M8 isn't cheap, nor should it be. The M8 Coupe starts at around $145,000, while the convertible version pushes closer to $155,000. Optional packages like the M Carbon package or Executive package can quickly drive the price north of $165,000. But what you get in return is a level of performance, luxury, and exclusivity that few cars in the world can match. So, what makes the 2026 BMW M8 worth every penny? It's the selling point that combines all these elements, performance, luxury, technology, and prestige, into one breathtaking package. You're not just buying a car, you're investing in an experience. The M8 offers daily drivability with weekend thrill potential. It's equally comfortable pulling up to a red carpet event as it is tearing down a racetrack. No compromises, just perfection. The 2026 BMW M8 continues to be one of the most complete performance luxury cars ever built. It proves that you can have speed without sacrificing comfort, and prestige without losing personality. Whether you're a longtime BMW fan or someone looking for a flagship coupe that does it all, the M8 deserves your attention. It's not just a car, it's a legacy on wheels, now fine-tuned for the future. Thanks for watching Auto Hub Info. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 BMW M8, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more exciting reviews, comparisons, and automotive insights coming your way soon.